Hey, what's going on guys? Slot here and you're gonna learn about the join method in the array. So what this method does is it gonna return a string by concatenating all the elements by like putting something like comma, strings, something like that. Um, so this is what it does, as the name suggests, it do the concatenation thing. Now what we're gonna do, create an element. Oh, it already created from other of my tutorial. And now what we're gonna do is create a log, console.log element. Use the element array. Just you need to create an array of that. After that, what we're gonna do is join and pass something like a space. So when we do that, it's gonna return with this. Sorry, it's not a space, sorry about that. Yeah, so it's space now. If we put like this, it gonna do it gonna put inside the between those alleys, like far wind like that. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.